vacuum cleaner, the most abused piece of household electrical equipment. Some may say, oh, my vacuum cleaner works very well. Some may not. What happens down there don't determine what happens here. Many machines feel they have suction. What do you need then? Is Henry. The features that Henry offers is a manual flex rewind, a large 9 litre easy accessible dust bag, a long life motor, supreme pickup performance, a cheeky smiling face, a compact design among other competitors, a 2 years parts and labour guarantee, so if Henry does have a knock, you know someone will be there to look after him. Henry, a true all-in-one machine from Pneumatic. What more could you want?